In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ThinkMarkets and Tradingview. Connecting your brokerage account to a charting platform like Tradingview can streamline your trading process, making it easier to manage your trades all in one place. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll head over to Tradingview. If you're not familiar with Tradingview, it's a popular charting platform for traders, known for its wide range of features and a user-friendly interface. So, if you haven't got it open already, just go to your browser and type in tradingview.com to get started. Once you've landed on the home page, the next thing you want to do is click on Supercharts. You should see this option prominently on the screen. Supercharts is a fantastic tool in Tradingview that allows for advanced charting capabilities. This is exactly where you want to be to start setting up your ThinkMarkets connection. Now that you're in Supercharts, look for the Trading Panel button. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on the Trading Panel will open a new section featuring various broker options you can connect with. This panel is your gateway to linking your Tradingview account with your preferred brokerage, allowing you to place trades directly from the charts, which is incredibly convenient. In the Trading Panel, locate the Show All Brokers option. Clicking on this will unveil a comprehensive list of all the brokers available on Tradingview. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to the full range of broker options rather than just a limited selection. Now, here's where we focus in. Browse through the list to find ThinkMarkets. It might take a little scrolling, but it's definitely in there. Take your time to ensure you're clicking on the right brokerage. ThinkMarkets is renowned for its top-notch services, and connecting it to Tradingview will enhance your trading toolkit significantly. With ThinkMarkets in your sights, it's time for the final step. Click and connect. When you click on ThinkMarkets, you'll likely be asked to log in to your ThinkMarkets account. Ensure you have your login details ready. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll authorize the connection, effectively linking your ThinkMarkets account to Tradingview. After this, you're all set up. You can now execute trades directly from this powerful platform, utilizing the robust data and insights that Tradingview offers. And that's it! You've successfully connected ThinkMarkets to Tradingview. Remember, integrating these platforms can streamline your trading experience significantly, offering ease and efficiency at your fingertips. If you encountered any issues along the way, double-check each step and ensure you're logged into your correct accounts. Happy trading and enjoy the seamless experience of trading with Tradingview and ThinkMarkets together.